Nesco Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator Review. The smooth and fashionable Nesco Snackmaster Pro is one of the latest dehydrators in the market. Its strong motor gives it a superior quality for drying out fruits, vegetables, and beef. The pros. Drying space. The Nesco FD75 A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator measures approximately 13 inch by 13 inch by 10 inch, which provides more drying space. It also has 5 drying trays, 2 mesh sheets, 2 solid fruit roll sheets, and 3 jerky spice jackets. The dehydrator's capacity can be expanded up to 12 trays for extra drying areas. Adjustable thermostat. It has an adjustable thermostat ranging from 95 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit for flexibility. The recommended temperatures are written near the temperature control for accurate drying of food. Protective external body. It has a high-quality impervious V2-save opaque exterior to block harmful lights that can lead to loss of food nutrients. Excellent dehydrating system. The dehydrator's airflow system forces into the coerced external compartments, hence no need to rotate trays. Consequently, flavors do not mix. Free recipe booklet. Included in the product is recipe book, which is quite essential to teach ways of preparing delicious recipes at home. Care and maintenance. It is easy to clean after use as dehydrated food items leave virtually no residue. This dehydrator can be washed in a dishwasher when setting to the air dry option. The cons. No power button. This appliance does not come with an on and off switch. To begin dehydrating process you have to connect the power wire, and after finishing drying you disconnect the power. No timer. The FD75 A Snackmaster Pro Food Dehydrator does not include a timer. Therefore, in order to avoid overheating you have to keep an eye on the food items on the trays, or else the food will lose its nourishing value. Not effective with low power. This dehydrator is less efficient if you plan to use it for a shorter period of time, which means that it will consume more power when you dehydrate delicate foods such as herbs. Round-shaped trays incompatible. This appliance is not compatible with circular-shaped stacking trays. Loading rectangular trays are much easier than round-shaped trays. Less base capacity. The base of this dehydrator is quite small and therefore not suitable for dehydrating a large quantity of food. You'll have to use small food quantities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.